this is how to actually do a side flip. Yo, what is going on everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to my side flip tutorial. By the way, if you can already do a side flip, just skip to the times that I'm blending in right now for tips, drills or common mistake. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you do the side flip either over your right shoulder or you switch sides and do the side flip over your left shoulder. And to figure out over which side you do the side flip, you go into a squat position, let yourself fall to your side and then try to stand up like this. Just do this over both sides and whatever side feels more natural to you, this is your side flip side. If you don't really have a side that feels better when you're doing it for the first time, try it a couple more times and you'll figure that one side just feels better and feels more natural to you. And this is your side flip side. And this is how the side flip works. You stand sideways on whatever side felt more comfortable for you when we did the exercise earlier. So I do the side flip over my right shoulder and therefore I stand like this. If you felt more comfortable doing the exercise over your left shoulder, you just switch sides. But I can only do the side flip over my right shoulder, so I stand like this and we'll show you the whole movement in this direction. Okay, in the beginning, you throw your right arm up and then down. At the same time, you pull your left arm up and your left hip up. Then your chin comes to your chest, your shoulders come to your knees. You tuck, make yourself small in the air to get the rotation. Then you open up and land just like this. And now I will show you some exercises on how you can learn the side flip. The first exercise is the same exercise we did in the beginning. You go into a squat position and let yourself fall on your side and then get up again, just like this. And just like this. Just do this a couple of times until you feel comfortable with it. The second exercise is the same exercise, but we start from a standing position. And there it's really important that you pull your left hip up and drop to your side. Just like this. Do this a couple of times until you feel comfortable with this exercise. Before we move on to the next exercise, I just want to show you the arm movement of the side flip real quick, as this is really important for the side flip to stay in axis. Okay, now let's just imagine that you're doing the side flip in this direction. Therefore, we stand sideways, look in the direction that we want to do the side flip and have our arms like this. We kind of look like in Egypt now, but that's exactly the starting position that we want to have. Okay, so we stand here, then we throw our right arm up and throw it down. And at the same time, we pull our left elbow up to give us some momentum. And it's really important that our arms are in one line to stay in axis and that we don't do a front flip or a kind of weird movement. So we really want to focus on having our arms in one line. The whole movement should be in one line, just like this. All right. Once you kind of feel comfortable with this arm movement, we go back to the previous exercise and fall on our side again, but include the arm movement now. And we mainly want to focus on our arm movement. So we stand sideways, we look in the direction in that we want to do the side flip and do the arm movement, land on our side and get up. Just repeat this a couple of times. And once you feel comfortable, you can move on to the side flip. And all you have to do for the side flip now is you have to do the arm movement faster and stronger. You have to pull your hip up stronger and you have to get your shoulders to your knees once you're in the air. In the beginning, you will probably land on your side, but this is fine. You can just do like this and then slowly get more rotation and land a side flip. Now let's move on to some tips and tricks that will improve your side flip. The first tip is that you really want to get awareness in the beginning and focus on your technique later, because in the beginning your side flip will probably be kind of a front flip because you don't have the arm movement in control. So you really want to get the awareness for your side flip first, and then you double down on technique. My next tip is that you should spot your side flip, and when you start the side flip, you take a spot in front of you that you fix with your eyes, and when you land the side flip, you spot the trampoline. Another tip is that you repeat the arm movement as often as possible. This should go automatically at some point. You should not have to think about the arm movement. Just repeat it, do it again and again. Because the arm movement is the most important thing of the side flip. If you struggle with the side flip in the beginning, it is probably because your arm movement is not in one line, and that you pull your left elbow up a little bit in front of your body like this. And if you have this problem, you will do kind of a front flip. Therefore, I recommend you to actively pull your elbow backwards and up. You think you will pull it up like this, but in reality, you will be in one line with your whole body and with your right arm and do the movement properly. And my last two tips for you are that you should start the side flip from whatever position you feel more comfortable. Some people say that it's mandatory to stand completely sideways and to look to the side. But to be honest, if you feel more comfortable standing like this and looking forwards when you start your side flip, this is completely fine. Just do what feels easier for you, what you feel more comfortable with, and what comes more naturally to you. Because for me, this movement is way more natural than this movement. But as I said, just do what feels more natural for you. Another tip that I have for you is that for some people, myself included, it is hard to grab the shins at the side flip, because for me it's hard to stay in axis if I grab my shins. But I grab the back side of my upper leg, which is this part of my body. And this is fine too, because it doesn't really matter if you grab the back side of your upper leg or your shins when you're doing the side flip. Just grab whatever feels more comfortable for you and where you can stay in axis. And I would say, let's move on to some drills. I can't repeat it often enough. The most important drill is that you really drill your arm movement. Drill it, drill it, drill it, drill it again and again and again, and focus on having everything in one line. Like your whole body, including your arms, should be in one line when you start with your side flip. Film yourself doing it, watch yourself doing the movement, and if you see mistakes, film yourself again, drill it again until you got it right. My next and last drill is that you fall on your side and stand up again as often as possible, again with the main focus on your arm movement. So just do this 1,000 times and drill the arm movement. Drill, drill, drill the arm movement. It's the most important thing of the side flip. Now I'll show you some common mistakes that you should not do if you want to do a side flip. The first mistake, and the biggest mistake, is to not have your whole body in one line when you take off. As I said before, you want to focus on having your whole body in one line. You don't want your left elbow be somewhere right here. You don't want it somewhere here. You don't want your right arm somewhere over there. You don't want it over there. Your whole body should be in one line. Okay, the next mistake that I see really often is that people open up in the air. And as I said at the backflip and frontflip tutorial, whatever happens, always stay small in the air. Another mistake that I notice is that people do not spot their side flip. As I said before, in the beginning it doesn't really matter if you're spotting or not. as your main goal is to get some air awareness. But once you know where you are in the air, focus on spotting your side flip, as it will make the whole side flip easier. And the last mistake that I see sometimes is that people only focus on the arm movement, but completely forget about pulling their hip up. And all I have to say to this is, yes, the arm movement is super important, but don't forget about pulling your hip up, as this will give you a lot of rotation and momentum too. So you want to focus, of course, mainly on your arm movement, but don't forget about your hip. Alright, and now I got some study material for you. This was my side flip tutorial, and I hope that you can learn a side flip with this tutorial. By the way, if you got any clips of you trying a side flip, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, TikTok, X or any other platform. The links are all down in the description. Of course, you can also ask me questions down in the comments, and I'm happy to help you learn or improve your side flip. Also, don't forget to check out my backflip and frontflip tutorial too if you want to learn or improve those flips. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.